This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming essentials: Shield model, an HDMI port on the TV, and a proper power adapter. Plug the power adapter into the Shield and into the wall. This ensures stable booting. Next, connect the HDMI cable from the Shield to an available HDMI input on your TV. Note the input name for easy switching later. If you want lower latency or steadier streaming, plug an Ethernet cable now. Otherwise, prepare to use Wi-Fi in the next step. Once done powering and connecting, switch your TV to the HDMI input you used. Choose HDMI ARC if the Shield audio will route to a soundbar. Power on the Shield and follow the on-screen setup. Sign into your Google account, choose Wi-Fi or confirm Ethernet, and accept system updates if prompted. Next, go to Settings, then Display and Sound, and select the best resolution and HDR mode that your TV supports, so the picture is sharp and synced with audio. You're almost done. Install streaming apps or games, run a test playback, and adjust overscan or picture calibration in Settings. Make sure HDMI CC is enabled if you want to control the Shield with the TV remote. This simplifies navigation. If something goes wrong, start with the common fixes. Reset the HDMI and power cables, try another HDMI port or a known good cable, and reboot both devices. If the problem persists, power cycle again after unplugging for 10 seconds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.